Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you a quick Lego marble run machine and an actual working start. As you can see, all you have to do is pull the lever like this and then it rolls. So what it does is that the marble, get the starting point, sorry. You can put it right here, okay? And the marble goes right there. When you pull the lever, going. When you pull the lever, it goes down, it goes down to here, rolls down, hits that, all the way down to here, through there, and down the long run. So let's do a test run. Well, I already did it. Works. Took me like 2 hours to build it. Pretty easy. This part right here is actually an easy part. All you have to do is take a wall and then put 2x4s under it like that, and then add some slopes like that. And I don't know why there was a stud right here. I just put that for decoration. And this is like a little tunnel, I guess, because why I like it over here is that it hits here and it bounces off into the long run. So what it does, so let's do it. 3, 2, 1. And there it is. Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1. Well, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!